What is up, YouTube? Got Norman down here helping us today. We're gonna feed some snakes. He needs to back up because this snake is a little big for him, and I don't want my dog getting eaten by a snake. So, Norman, you gotta back up. That's not gonna go your way, I promise. So hopefully he gets distracted and goes somewhere else for a second here, but we're just gonna feed, start at the top and we'll move down, I guess. Let's see what I can do here. These are from a breeder local to me. Shout out to him again, appreciate that. So right now, this is his bin. We're gonna take this rat. Actually, it's a Dumbo too, nice one, but snakes gotta eat. Let's see how this all goes down. I don't know if she knows it's in there yet. She does now. Norm, come on, bud. Hi. Oh, good morning, Norman. I know. Oh, he farted, this dog. These French Bulldog farts are the worst, guys. I'm telling you. Norm. He is a naughty puppy today. Just a naughty boy. Naughty boy. Maybe he's just not hungry. Interesting. We're gonna move on. Unless this snake wants to eat here, we'll see. Yeah, just gonna have to go ahead and... This snake's usually a better eater, but that's where we're at. Move on to this one. This one's been due. The snake has not eaten in a while either, so probably ready. It's not a crazy day for strikes, I guess. No strike. No strike yet. Got this fish tank kind of cleaned out for me. Got the gecko cleaned out. Got all the snakes and the rats done today. It's been a productive day. All right, moving on. This should strike. I knew she wanted to eat. Where's this one? I keep that one if she don't eat, because that's a dumbbell. I haven't really figured it out yet. Oh yeah, he knows it's time to eat now. Or she, I'm sorry, Maya. There, he found it. She found it, sorry. These are just like my 2 normal rescues on the bottom here. We're not planning on like breeding them or anything like that. They're just gonna stay hung out here until I find a home for them. Their owner said, can you watch them for a few months, and then just never came back, so. All right, gonna move on. Cinnamon will be next. Again, this is gonna be one we're probably not gonna see that well, but she just got a wet tank right now. Knew that was coming. So 2, 4, 3 today so far. I know she's gonna eat, she just has to find it. That's another Dumbo too, sad. Oh well. I like the Dumbos with the sideways ears. Don't know how great of a video this is gonna make, but there she is. And that is that. I am sorry, rat, but it has to happen. Snake's gotta eat. Done. So it's kind of wet in here. Got that under control. Woo! Ready. Looks like we're gonna miss another one here, but yeah. Oh, missed it. Again, these tubs are wet because I just filled the water bowl, and then I'm shaking the fucking tubs and spilling the water everywhere, so it'll dry out. 2 more to go. Let him do his thing. Norman's still hanging out. Again, I know this snake will eat too, so. This might be my only like decent strike today. Get this one. Nice. I'm still playing there. And I don't know, yeah, probably not gonna eat a lot. Might just take a few minutes today, so thanks for watching, guys. On to the next one.